quite exciting to be here, startup capital of Europe.
Relationships that has been built.
Somebody from Asia can build a startup in Berlin, and somebody from Berlin can build a startup in Asia.
So I actually see a lot of complementary differences that could actually be complementary strengths if we're able to collaborate and work with one another.
Only because of this our success is possible, so we are very much believing in the bridge between Asia and Europe.